Hi, welcome back. Welcome to this forecourt film for this absolutely spectacular 2019 Citroen Berlingo van. This particular van has just covered 22,000 miles, is in extremely good condition, is one owner from new, and also qualifies for VAT. This van has just had completed a full 5-cage Sycworx dog crate conversion, so absolutely perfect for any dog walkers, people involved in canine agility, or anything like that at all. You can see here at the side door we've got the larger cage here, which will obviously take an extremely tall dog. Plenty of room in here. We've got LED lighting throughout in all of the cages. Everything is brand new, and look, literally not a single rattle or anything from here at all. Absolutely beautiful conversion. I said all brand new. You've got the top cages here for smaller dogs. Very nice, easy to use latch system there. All with new linings to the floor and to the sides as well. Really easy to keep clean and just wipe down. And then the larger ones here, which will certainly take a Labrador sized dog quite comfortably. And all of the gates and everything are open through to the back as well, so you can get through all of those. And again, you'll see the lighting throughout as well, controlled by this small switch on the side. We've also had a small electric fan that's been fitted. The van itself also features air conditioning, so with the cutout in the bulkhead at the back, the aircon is allowed to free flow all the way through and keep the whole van cool, but the fan is a really nice additional attachment as well. But yeah, absolutely beautifully finished all the way through. Like I said, not a single rattle. If I try and shake that as hard as I can, nothing at all. It's been absolutely beautifully done. The van cab itself, perfect condition. The previous owner actually only ever used it to transport his mountain bike, so it's been extremely well cared for and never really done a hard day's work in its life. We've got 3 seats up front with seat covers all the way throughout. A very, very good infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, so you can use your navigation and listen to Spotify and things like that as well. As you'll see, all of the flooring and everything is in absolutely fantastic condition. Also benefits from cruise control, multi-function controls, power folding mirrors as well. Has only covered 22,000 miles and is presented in extremely good condition. It's obviously completely ULEZ compliant, being a Euro 6 van. We can organise finance and also take part exchange for you. So if you have any further questions, then please do visit our website, which is jajarvis.co.uk. We're more than happy to help. If you have any questions about the actual install or anything like that at all, then again, please do let us know and we'll do our best to answer your questions. Thank you very much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.